Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra. That makes you a bunny. That makes us Kendra and the bunnies. Today we are unboxing and reviewing this SHI Hanji shower towel. I found this on Amazon and it promises to be soft, quick drying, exfoliating, and beneficial for our skin. So let's check it out. So this is, and I'm so sorry if I pronounced it wrong, this is the SHI shower towel. It's made out of Hanji and it's made in Korea. I did find this on Amazon. I linked it in my Amazon shop, so be sure to check out the link below. The SHI Hanji towel is the environment-friendly towel that is made of paper material called Hanji. This is made of mulberry textile using the thread that is produced by pulping the mulberry tree fibers. Mulberry textile has the property of drying out quickly in a humid condition, and it keeps the towel dry and soft. This dries super fast, so it's easier to keep clean. Hanji has a high deodorant property, so there's no need to worry about bad smells. Okay, so look at this. This is really awesome. It's an exfoliating towel. It's got a long length to it and a good width. This is amazing because you can use it behind your back like this to scrub your back. So you can put your scrub on the back here and then go like this and then scrub your back. You can also utilize it doing the same on your legs. And then you can use it everywhere else as well. So let's test it. I could see this being so cute in a gift basket for a bride or a mother-to-be. Your skin will love this gentle exfoliation, making way for intense hydration and moisturization. This is super soft, and it's made of premium mulberry textile. This loofah exfoliating body scrubber is made in Korea using premium quality, skin-friendly Hanji paper material. With 25% Korean paper fiber and 75% nylon, this can help you enjoy a quick dry texture and scrub in any environment.